Risk management. In trading, price action is king, right? At sa tingin nyo, sino yung queen? Correct. Risk management is your queen. You will probably lose the game of trading if you lose your queen. Risk management refers to the practice of identifying, assessing, and controlling risk. Sa trading, it is used to protect your account from the danger of losing all your money. If you are good in managing risk, then you have an excellent opportunity of making money in the stock market. Risk management is one of the most overlooked areas of trading, but it is one of the most crucial for success. Why is it important? Well, we are in the business of making money, and in order to make money, we have to learn how to manage potential losses. Many traders are anxious to get right into trading with no regards of their account size. They simply determine kung ano yung pinakakaya nilang sikmurahing loss in a single trade, then they click that buy button. This type of investing is called gambling. We, as traders, are not gamblers. We are masters of risk. Remember, we are here in the market not to gamble, but to make money consistently. When you trade without risk management, you are in fact gambling. You are not looking at the long-term perspective of your investment. Instead, you are only looking for that jackpot trade. The entire market will always be out of your control. And one of the few things in trading that you can handle and take in control of is your risk. Ang nangyayari sa atin, kapag malaki yung position na nilalagay natin sa isang stock, hindi na tayo nakakapagdesisyon ng rational. Nagiging emotional tayo. Kaya, we have to study risk management para makontrol natin yung emosyon. Risk management will not only protect you, but they can make you very profitable in the long run. To become consistently profitable, we should be able to respect and value first the money we are using. Your capital comes from your hard-earned money, right? Pinaghirapan, pinagpawisan, pinagpaguran mo yan, hindi yan kusang ipinagkaloob sa'yo ng walang kapalit. Puyat, pagod, oras at panahon na ginugol mo na hindi kasama yung pamilya mo, panganib na sinusuong mo sa pagtatrabaho. If you don't value the money you are using, then trading is not for you. Expect the worst. Risk management is a key factor in trading. Trading is like a business. Your winners are your income, then your losers are your expenses. What's left is your net profit. So looking at the things like this, would you think that you're supposed to win every trade? Diba hindi? There is no company na walang expenses. A good businessman respect and manage their risk in order to lessen these expenses. Same as well in trading. Lost trades are expenses. We should cut our losses short so we can continue trading. Managing risk also means protecting your capital regardless if you are winning or losing. It's important to not let a bad trade drain your account. Hindi mo gugustuhin yung pakiramdam na nauubos yung capital mo. Aside from being damaged financially, you will also be emotionally compromised. Hoping na babalik yung price, but it digs deeper and deeper. We got no mercy if the trade didn't work with your bias. The market is uncertain and unpredictable. With trading, losses are going to happen. So, managing risk and minimizing these losses is vital. We should focus on two areas in this quadrant. It's either we win big or we lose small, not the other way around. Here is a table that will illustrate what percentage you would have to make to break even if you were to lose a certain percentage of your account. You can see that the more you lose, the harder it is to make it back to your original account size. This is all the more reason that you should do everything you can to protect your account. We all know that the stock market can really gives us the financial freedom, but be sure to be aware of the risk and let's take everything seriously. No shortcuts, but respect the process. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint.